Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly trading higher on Wednesday, tracking the positive cues overnight from Wall Street, and as investors look ahead to the announcement from the Bank of Japan as it wraps up its two-day monetary policy meeting on Wednesday. The Australian market is advancing, led by gains in the mining, airline and banking sectors. In late morning trades, the benchmark ASX 200 index is adding 1.20%. On the economic front, consumer confidence in Australia bounced back in January, rising a seasonally adjusted 2.4% to a score of 93.2. The latest sentiment index from Westpac Bank showed on Wednesday. That follows the 5.7% plunge to 91.1 in December. The 6-month index average remains at its lowest level since July 2009. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is trading lower against the US dollar on Wednesday, following the decline in crude oil prices and the International Monetary Fund's downgrade of the global growth forecast. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.8175 US, down from $0.8183 on Tuesday. US crude oil plummeted to end over 5% lower Tuesday after the International Monetary Fund slashed its 2015 global economic growth forecast, and with China's economy growing at its slowest in about 25 years. Crude oil futures for March delivery, the most actively traded contract, plunged $2.66 US or 5.4% to settle at $46.47 US a barrel on New York Mercantile Exchange. Is the US vulnerable to the deflation risk that's pinching the Eurozone? In search of perspective, the crowd will be keenly focused on today's monthly update on Britain's labour market. UK labour market report 9:30 GMT. The judging starts with today's labour market report. Based on the crowd's expectations, the odds currently favour the bulls. Britain's claimant count is on track to post another healthy decline in December estimate. The number of workers filing for jobless benefits last month is on track to slide 24,000 consensus forecast. That's slightly slower than November's drop of 26,900, but it's still deep enough to inspire predictions that economic growth will endure in the months ahead. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.